Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing good. Hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, it's my pre-birthday shenanigan. I'm gonna be 28 tomorrow and I'm so happy and excited. Yeah, I'm gonna be 28. So today we have quite a few stuff to do on the road. So we have pop smear to done. Gonna stop by Sagicor to drop off 2 claims. Then we're gonna pick up package. Then we're gonna drop off a security camera and egg, and then we're gonna head back home, finalize prepping, packing, along with doing my nails and my hair and my toes for our birthday celebration tomorrow. I'm so excited, so make sure y'all stay tuned to see where we're going for our birthday. I'm excited. The break is needed, and you know, as you grow older, we want to be doing more and more for a birthday celebration. So come along to see the itsy bits of my day. I made it right on time for my pap smear appointment, so I'm gonna take you guys up with me and let you know how it goes. I might not record on the inside, but I'll let you know once I'm out. This is where we at. Just a quick thing about TD black and silver headband, my black flowy dress. I love this dress. My watch and ring back from Panama. Pretty much this is all the quick about TD. I really love these dresses. There's something about them that's kind of nothing too much, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do my urine test now. So I come down to do my urine test, but one thing I know don't change is that my pressure is high every single time I come to doctor test. My pressure is high, and I feel like it's a mind game because on a regular, once I go home, check my pressure is high. I think I have anxiety coming to doctors, you know, honestly, especially when it comes on to check my pressure. So I fill out the form, they weigh me, weight still remain the same, 224. And then I'm going to do the urine test, and then I'm going to check back again, and then I'm going to do my pap smear. I'm a little bit nervous, but I got this. One thing with Dr. Title, she's going to be patient, gentle, and very understanding with you, no matter how big of an age you behave and act like a child in there. She's going to take good care of you. So if you're looking for someone for like a private doctor for pregnancy, you can go there. If you do offer other services, as I showed in the previous clip, so you can always speak to your caller. She's in Kingston. She's a little bit low St. Andrew Hospital, and that's where she delivers babies as well. So just in case you're looking for someone, okay girl, and let her know that Chantel saying. So guys, I finished up my pap smear. It wasn't bad. Yeah, let me tell you, I think I have trauma when it come on to like doctor visit or everything. As per usual, my pressure was high again, because if you know anything about my pregnancy journey, every time I do I check for my pressure, it's always high. It's either they have to run it 2 times or 3 times. I kid you not. Likewise for today, it was 2, but it was okay based on my age and everything. I did weigh. She did the insert with the little clamp. I didn't even feel like she was inside my poochie. It didn't feel like that. And she also did the finger insert. Everything came out clear. There's no sign of cancer or anything of the sort. So I'm pretty much in good standing, if you ask me. No, so I'm just happy to see her back. As I said, Dr. Titus, I love her so much. She's so patient, she's so kind, she's so loving, and I feel like the field that she is in it just for her, because sometimes these people in the medical field, and I feel like it's just there for money, they don't have no patience, no compassion about it. But for her, she's gonna put her all in it, and I just feel so good seeing her, because I haven't seen her for almost a year and I had no, because the last time we did that checkup, I don't even think mama turned 1 yet. to be honest. So we just like catching up and you know how baby girl doing, how family and everything doing, and it just felt so good. So I'm gonna have my breakfast now. My sister make fried dumpling and cabbage and I never get the chance to eat it, so I'm gonna eat it now and then head by Sagicor. So as I go along the day, I take you to see what's going on. Just in case you're wondering what we're having for lunch, well, breakfast such lunch at this point, this and some fruit punch juice. So I'm gonna eat and go head out before the traffic starts. So we have dumpling and cabbage. That breakfast was so good. One thing I love about fried dumpling, my sister does always get it right. Like I don't want to fry dumpling to save my own life because it's going to be crunchy. It's soft, and the fact that it looked both from early this morning and I just getting a chance to eat it after 12. Dumpling soft, cabbage soft. Like I mean, you can't go wrong. So I finished eating now, so I'm gonna fill out the claims form to Sagicor, and then I'm gonna enter Sagicor now. Just touching up back the lip. So I drop off the claims. I said 10 to 12 working days it's gonna be ready. Tell me why we come to business place and we have to pay for parking. Like we're transaction business with you. Why we have to pay for parking? Like the biggest scam. But I got you, so I have $100 for less than half an hour. And then we're gonna head out. The sky look dark up here in New Kingston. If you know, you know. You don't want rain catch you in New Kingston. Flood, river. I tell you, women that drive, some of these women that drive, when I tell you, they need, I don't even know. I make a wrong turn, right? And I acknowledge that I make the wrong turn. Sister Denise decided so she now wait till me come out, you know. She just come down for me. But under that, she should have licked snow. She should have licked snow. Because I asked if I would come out and give her some beating. I'd have beat her to frazzle today, you see. I don't know. These people, they don't got nothing named woman in them. Nothing. For that, Denise decided she now with all the security man I tell her don't come underneath the barrier. So them full of they full of a lot of and that's it. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm just refreshing up on some fruit punch. I'm gonna pick up some package, drop off some package, and then head over. Hopefully I can catch it for my sister 2 p.m. hair appointment. The one and only post over. This is currently the weather in Aperture. I don't want this to catch me. Watch it. It's a dark cloud, and then over on that side it's not so bad, like the cloud spreading, but over that side it's clear. But look at it, and some thunder dropping, and I'm not going to even mention the lightning that's coming with the thunder and the darkness. Oh my god.
It's exciting.
It's giving storm in Kingston, and I don't love that for me. And I'm hoping by the time I reach more in Portmore, it's just like this. packaging is so pretty. Let me try pull it. Let me try pull it. Because I mean, I pick up the package like, and we want to see what's in it. The goodies that it gets with it. They have the buffer, the thing to push back a nail, and the little spoon, and I guess this to clear the tooth, because when they don't fingers, it is so pretty and cute. The nails though, get into the nails, like get into the details. Nice. I love it. I love her down. So guys, I made it back home now. So I made it back home. So we did the pap smear. Just a quick run on what we did. Pap smear, drop off the claims, pick up package, drop off some stuff for my sister. Let me take my vitamins. I purchased these and online because my hair breakage is getting out of whack like crazy. So let me check one. And I pick up nails. I got an SD card for a digital camera that I bought. I'm gonna unbox two packages that I pick up, which is the stepper and the gimbal. I'm so excited. Those two are part of my birthday gift as well, so I'm excited. And then I'm gonna try to see if I could take a little quick nap before baby girl up, and then well, I don't think it's gonna be a long nap because I'm supposed to pick up my sister from the age or so, and then finalize package. Trying to preset my hair for my birthday and my nails. So this is the personal nails that I'm gonna do. It's by Savinity. So if you want your design personal nails, then hit me up and I'll send you the details. The wig that I'm gonna wear is gonna be this one, Verena is a 20-inch. I feel like I want to cut it, but I feel like I want to play around and try to kind of get it curl up. I might not cut it because I want to wear it for tomorrow, Friday and Saturday. So I was thinking cutting it in a bob where it will be a little bit easier, but let's see how that one's gonna go for today. So let's go do the unboxing for the stepper and the gimbal and then come back. So this is one of the birthday gifts that I picked up today, which is the along with the DJI. I got one of the DJI. No mind, this is the DJI stabilizer. This one is dope. Like, I'm obsessed with her. I'm obsessed with her. Like, it's hand-free, so I can just easily play around. I have a lot more practice to go, but that's a part of the birthday present. You see the flexibility? Yeah, it's tea. So we gotta lock it. Now these are all the stuff that I know I'm not gonna need 3/4 days, but we pack them. I will take them out. Yes, 1.5 hours. Once we get proper now, these are everything that we need. Room, I have like towel, these are undies and bath suit, and I have this yellow dress. I wore it once in Panama, so I want to wear it back again. These are some of the shorts. I'm really not carrying all of these clothes, and I know I'm the problem. Yes, I know. But these are, I purchased this in Panama. It's like a pink set, just always girly, but I always say I want to wear for a special moment to wear it. I know it's not the best of the best, but it still gives what it gives. And I have 90 sleep wear just to wear below. Bath suit. I wanted to try get a black bath suit to go with this one, but it just never come true. So we just work with these two bath suits that can fit currently, and that's not too revealing. And as usual, the regular sanitary stuff, rags, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste. And then over here we have the colognes, the lotions, the jewelry, the purse, the heels. My birthday dress in that one, I can't wait. And we have my 9-waist set of watches, and those are like shorts and some little basics up because we're not doing too much, because really and truly we're going away for 2 nights. And I have some stuff up there that I think I want to carry, but I'm not going to carry because I need to be intentional and stop with the over packing and the unnecessary packing. So these are what we have. So I'm going to try put away all of these so that tomorrow we can get a decent amount of rest, because we're going out. It's a good little drive from where we are. The last time I did a drive, I think something like this was for honeymoon. I haven't gone back that far in driving, but you know, God is with us, so I'm gonna wrap these up and pack these up away. So the pack, finally pack. I was trying to fit everything in the little carry-on, didn't happen. Alright, give me $2,500 one. Add some pepper for me, please.